Welcome to the world of unstoppable shredders, where trees are torn apart in seconds by monstrous forestry machines. From trunks to twigs, nothing survives the jaws of these brutal chippers. Subscribe now for raw power in action. Welcome to WoodRush channel. At CBI 6800 CT Land Clear Job 1080, the massive wood chipper roars to life, beginning its powerful operation. As the grinding mechanism spins up, large logs are fed in continuously and are pulverized in seconds. Wood chips shoot out from the discharge chute with immense force, creating a powerful stream that arcs through the air and lands in towering piles beside the machine. The scene is both intense and impressive, with the entire area vibrating to the rhythm of relentless grinding. The wood chipping machine is working powerfully, its sharp blades spinning rapidly to shred the large log fed into it. The wood chips are being collected into a storage truck. Beside the machine, a man stands carefully observing, his eyes focused on every movement of the machine to ensure everything runs smoothly and safely. The air around is filled with the sounds of cutting blades, the engine roaring, and the fresh scent of wood spreading. Every rotation of the drum brings chaos to wood and debris. Nothing escapes the beast, not thick trunks, twisted branches, or stubborn stumps. It grinds, it crushes, it conquers. The ground shakes, chips fly, and the job gets done fast and flawlessly. This is not just machinery. This is muscle, metal, and mastery combined. In a wide-open wood yard, the Bandit 3090, one of the most powerful wood chippers on the market, begins its workday. With its solid frame and rugged track system, The machine stands firm on uneven terrain, ready to take on massive logs, long and weighing hundreds of kilos. The loader slowly approaches, gently lifting a heavy log. Hydraulic arms move smoothly, positioning the timber precisely at the chippers and feed chute. As soon as contact is made, the Bandit 3090 roars to life, its massive blades spinning at high speed. A deafening grind fills the air as the log is swallowed whole and shredded into hundreds of small wood chips in seconds. Large volumes of timber are processed continuously, producing a steady stream of uniform chips discharged from the rear, ready for recycling, biomass energy, or pellet manufacturing. The Bandit 3090 isn't just a machine. It's a true beast of the wood processing world, where power and reliability reign supreme. In a village area of Albstadt, the bright red Fendt 1042 Vario tractor, paired with the Eschelbach Biber 92 MHA chipper, is hard at work processing a large pile of logs stacked right next to residential houses. It appears to be leftover trees from a recent cleanup or storm damage, now ready to be cleared. The red machine operates with strength yet precision, careful not to disturb the surrounding homes. One by one, the large logs are fed into the chipper's intake, where fast-spinning blades shred them into uniform wood chips. The air carries the fresh scent of wood mixed with a hint of machine oil, and the noise level remains steady and controlled, evidence of professional-grade equipment suited even for work near residential zones. This isn't just a chipper, it's a wood-eating monster. With every pull of the feed rollers, the Bandit drags in full-length trees like they're nothing. In seconds, trunks turn to chips, stumps vanish into mulch. No hesitation, no mercy, just raw, unstoppable power. Built for the toughest jobs on the planet, the Bandit doesn't slow down, it dominates. When other machines struggle, the Bandit just keeps grinding. Relentless, ruthless, ready for anything. This is the HX 1300-800, a high-capacity industrial wood shredder built for power and precision. With a large feed opening and robust rotor system, it easily processes thick trunks, branches, pallets, and even construction waste. Designed for continuous, heavy-duty operation, the HX 1300-800 shreds massive wood material into fine chips quickly and efficiently. Its automated feeding system ensures smooth operation, while the heavy steel frame guarantees long-lasting durability. From forestry to recycling, this machine handles it all. The Dopstad DH812 is working powerfully on site, carrying out its tree chipping mission with impressive efficiency. This is a specialized forestry machine fitted with a front-mounted chipper unit, forming a mobile wood processing system. Large rotating gears at the front spin relentlessly, gripping and pulling in massive tree trunks with mechanical force. As the logs are drawn in, the internal chipping blades immediately tear them apart into countless fine wood chips. Enormous logs, seemingly unbreakable, are efficiently shredded within seconds by the synchronized power of the rotating gears and heavy-duty chipper blades. The scene is a vivid display of rugged mechanical power and modern forestry technology in action. The Petzolato PTH 1400 to 1000 M drum chipper is running at full capacity, roaring like a tireless machine beast. Large logs are grabbed by the hydraulic arm and fed directly into the intake chute. Inside, the grinding drum spins ferociously, with razor-sharp blades hammering into the wood, turning each log into thousands of tiny chips. Wood fragments are expelled in powerful bursts from the discharge chute, like a storm of sawdust. The entire worksite becomes shrouded in a dense cloud of wood dust, hanging thick in the air like fog, coating machinery, clothing, and even dulling the sunlight as it filters through the smoky atmosphere. The machine thunders on, dust swirling, as more logs wait in line to be devoured. It's a raw display of mechanical strength, relentless, intense, and unstoppable.